我的素宝们 it's hora de clase. What did I just say and what language did I speak? Take a guess. I'm going to ask you on Wednesday. Okay, so I forgot to do this. All right, today is Monday, March 25th. Today is March 25th, and I'm your prettiest teacher, Teacher Sue. Okay, so it's toward the end of March, and I told you guys last time in class that this week we're going to have our Easter activity. And this is one of my favorite activities to hold at school because you get to see all the kids like running and then trying to find eggs. And I love scavenger hunts. I think scavenger hunts are so fun. Although it's going to be like done in like 10 minutes or so because you guys run very fast, but I still think like running and like trying to find as many eggs as possible is pretty fun. So Friday, we don't have class. So that means that we have to do a lot more today. 我们要有一点点稍微赶进度啦. All right, so today I'm going to again show you the flashcards and then go over the reading and then the spotlight reading. And I did grade your tests. So I'm going to tell you the range, okay, the range of scores I got. All right, so stay tuned. Here are the tests. Okay, so as you can tell by my face, can you tell I'm like super happy or am I like mad, like fire coming out of my head, or like am I like really sad? Okay, so I'm gonna count up how many is 90 and above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Woo! 13 are 90 and above, and then the rest are, 80s, 70s, and 60s. And my lowest is a 69. Okay, a little bit better than before, but I'd rather not have any 60s and 70s, okay? I think the test is pretty fair. I did go over every time I was in class. Like, 这个会考，请注意，这个会考，你要读 ，OK？ 我讲的还蛮清楚的。那礼拜三我再 go over the mistakes with you all。好，那我们就要进入我们的新的单元咯。这些字也没有很简单哦，我觉得 traditional clothes 还蛮难拼的。Okay, here we go. Say it together. Hammock. Spell it. Orchard. Traditional clothes. Spell it. Okay. Mosquito. Acrobat. Rainforest. Teacher Sue 在 go over 这些 flashcard 的时候，跟你讲说要 spell it， 你们就要真的念出来，不要就在那边的，然后或者是什么乘2快转之类的，因为你有习惯这样念出来的话，其实你平常其实都不应该会错这一些 because you say it out loud to practice it. So once you say it more and more, it's gonna stay in your mind. So Teacher Sue always encourages you to read out the word and spell it out. It's gonna help you, okay? 不会害你的啦, and I won't let you waste your time. This is just like practice, okay? So flashcards time. Okay, you say it with me. Okay, you say it with me. Okay. Have you ever been snorkeling? Yes, I have. 有 have 的问题就有 Okay. Have you ever been to a circus? Yes, I went to one last year. Oh, let me ask you, what is this? I never went over this in class, and I wanted to know if you guys know what it is, because it's kind of a common thing. I've seen it in Taiwan before, and then they really make it into a pretty shape. So if you know what this is, I'll ask you guys on Wednesday as well. Okay. Have you ever been to a rodeo? Yes, I went to one last month. Have you ever been stung by a bee? No, I haven't. Have you ever given a speech? Yes, I have. And let me ask you, what is this? Do you know how to say this in English? Again, I'm going to ask you on Wednesday to see if you know. 所以我已经抛出来3个不同的 bonus question 了。第一个是那个我开头的时候说什么啊？第二个是刚才那个粉红色的东西是什么啊？第三个是这个哦。Number 4, have you ever swum with dolphins? No, I haven't. Again, do you know what this is called? Go look it up. Ta-da! As you can see, I changed into a tank top because it was kind of hot. So that's why you see me in a short sleeve. Okay, now that we're done with the flashcards, I'm going to move on to the student book, which is on page 59. Open up your student book to page 59. And I'm going to talk about the reading again. And please get to know the reading really, really well. I cannot stress that enough because I hate seeing you guys get this wrong on the test. And it's like 6 points already gone. All right, so I'm going to read it to you and then you're going to answer the questions for me. Okay. Hi, Chris. How are you? Are you having a good time? Have you ever been to a circus? I went last week. It was my first time and I enjoyed it a lot. I saw elephants, acrobats, jugglers. I even saw a man put his head in a lion's mouth. And it was scary. Have you ever seen elephants running? The elephants are so big and heavy, but they run very fast. I was surprised. One of the elephants even played with a soccer ball. I want him on my team. I have never seen so many animals, and I have never eaten so much popcorn. When I was watching the circus, I was eating and eating. My mom and dad were angry. Now I'm on a diet. I've never been on a diet before. I don't like it. I hope you are not working too hard. Dan. Okay. So on the test, please get to know like what was he eating, what does diet mean, where did he go, when did he go, and what did the elephants do? That sort of detail. Okay, so I will say the question and then you say the answer. Number 1, what did Dan do for the first time? Number 2, 讲答案哦. Why was Dan scared? Number 3, what did one of the elephants do? It played with a soccer ball. Number 4, why did Dan go on a diet? He went on a diet because he ate too much popcorn. Okay, so my 4th bonus question is you have to write again a question and an answer for me on top of page 59. 只能在59页的上面哦。Okay, again, 就是我们要 practice 我们的这个单元的句型，然后你必须要写这个句型。我来想一想，我给你一个还蛮算简单的啦，我觉得。So hopefully all of you guys can earn the cards for this. Okay, so on page 59 on the top, I want you to write, have you ever swum with Abby? Have you ever swum with Abby? No, I haven't. No, I haven't. So please write this question and answer down. I'm going to move on to page 60 in the student book, and we're going to only do part H together. Okay, this will be a listening exercise. Again, a listening and writing exercise. So this is going to be between 4 people. You got Kim, you got Nate, you got Nina, and then you got Tyler. Okay, 他们4个人有在对话。那 teacher 是等一下会念这个对话，然后请你要写下来哦。那如果念太快的话 you can always pause the video. Okay, so 这个是一个听力的练习跟一个写的练习。Alright, section H, here we go. Okay, Nina says, How was your trip to the ocean, Nate? It was amazing. I went snorkeling for the first time. Have you ever been snorkeling? No, I haven't. Have you, Taylor? Yes, I went snorkeling once. It was fun. How was the rainforest, Nina? It was wonderful. I saw a waterfall for the first time. Cool. I've never seen a waterfall. What did you do, Kim? I went to a cherry orchard. I picked cherries for the first time. That sounds fun. It was fun, but it was also a lot of work. Didn't you go to the rodeo, Tyler? Yes, I did. It was exciting. Okay, so hopefully you got all of that, all right? If you didn't, we're still going to go over it on Wednesday, but I'm going to know who did it and who didn't, though. After we're done with the student book, I'm going to move on to the workbook, and I want you to turn to page 37 in your workbook, workbook 37. So in class on Friday, we did A, B, and C together, and I told you if you didn't finish A and B, you needed to do that on your own, okay? We're going to move on to part D. Part D is unscramble the sentences. And based on the test from last year and before, I think you guys all are really good at unscrambled sentences, putting the words in the right place. However, on page 37, 我觉得第4题跟第6题应该是最难的吧 OK 第4题因为句子还蛮长的，那 Teacher Sue第6题就帮你们一把 OK I won't tell you the whole answer, but I will give you a start 因为它真的很长。第6题我现在在说 Section D 的第6题37页的 Workbook OK 第6题它有 sleep 又有 slept in he tonight has a but he will before one never can have it 到底要什么开头呢 So if I were you, I would choose the subject first, right? 所以我们的这个句型一定是跟完成式有关系啊，所以 I would have it as he 那要配什么 have 或者是 has 一定是 has 啊 alright He has never slept in a hammock before 然后后面的我让你自己写后面的要怎么完成 Okay, number 6 He has never slept in a hammock before. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, hopefully you will finish the sentence. 那其他的1到5我觉得 Teacher Sue 要你们试试看 OK 试试看 for homework Alright 那接下来I want to talk about section E too on page 38 section E and these are short dialogues that again 跟我们这个单元的文法就是对啊 exactly 就是你刚刚可能会觉得说为什么我好像卡掉了或者是中间不见了几秒是因为 Teacher Sue 的 phone is less than 20% 就是它的那个 low battery 的那个 form 跳出来然后我的 video 就之后停止所以我必须要就是再讲一次 section E 38 section E 38 so I'm going to do number 1 with you and you need to listen and write it down and then for number 2 and 3 you can write it yourself okay number 1 have you ever been to the rodeo no I haven't have you yes I have okay this is pretty easy right all right one more time have you ever been to the rodeo no I haven't have you yes I have如果你要完整的话你也可以写 yes I have been to the rodeo yes I have been to the rodeo that's okay too alright so I want you to try number 2 and number 3 together 所以这次的功课就是 D 跟 E 然后 Teacher Sue Wednesday 回来的时候再一起讨论一起检讨这样子Now that I'm done with the workbook, I want to go on to the Spotlight Reading Book. And it looks like I haven't been talking about the Spotlight Reading Book in a long time. So I need to do that. Okay, so I know we left off with Unit 11. So let's go over the vocabulary words on page 86. 86, okay? The yellow words. Did we go over the Chinese part on page 85? You guys will have to tell me that on Wednesday, okay? If not, we can go over that together on Wednesday. And let's go on to the yellow words, okay? So everybody please say costume, costume, invited, invited, thrilled, thrilled, pajamas, pajamas, polka dot, polka dot, pear, pear, puffy, puffy, wings, wings, cape, cape, fell over, fell over. Okay, so please look up all the words. I don't think I see any particularly hard words, but I'm still going to ask you on Wednesday. I think the only one is puffy. Maybe you don't know puffy, but everything else you should know. Okay, so please do page 86 and 87, okay? But before that, I'm going to go over the reading together, okay? So please listen to my reading. Paul's Halloween party, okay? Paul had a Halloween party at his house last month. It was a costume party. He invited all of his friends. They needed to wear different costumes. There were games and lots of food at the party. They were all so thrilled. Steve arrived at the party first. He wore red pajamas and a shiny baseball cap. Jeffrey came next. He wore a polka dot jacket and a pair of big shoes. Then John came to the party. He wore a pink shirt and a gold tie. Judy and Linda came last. Judy wore black jeans, a green t-shirt, and a shiny red mask. Linda wore a big puffy dress and a pair of silver wings. Everybody wanted to see Paul's costume. He finally came out of his bedroom. He wore a tight suit and a very long cape. His cape was too long and he almost fell over. They all laughed and helped Paul with his cape. Okay, so Paul's Halloween party. 所以 Halloween 你们应该还记得是什么吧? Okay, it looks like they went to a costume party and then all of the friends dressed up. Okay, so what I want you to do is do page 86 and 87. 86 and 87. Okay? Now that we're totally done with the Spotlight Reading Book, I'm going to share with you 3 more vocabulary words that 5th graders in the U.S. should know, okay? 所以我上一次已经开始我这个小单元，就是Teacher Sue 有去查说美国的5年级生呢必知道的单字有什么？当然有好几百个，有超过200个。不过 Teacher Sue 想说就每一个礼拜跟你们分享3个，这样也会累积到几十个，也不错。OK， 而且这些字其实在台湾来讲，就是还蛮不是国小程度，应该是国3或高1的程度咯。Okay, so the first 3 words I shared with you guys was, remember, devour, envious, and influence, right? Okay, here comes the new words. Okay, the new words are number 4, accomplish. Accomplish. Number 5, combination. Combination. And number 6, independent. Independent. So hopefully you can figure out how to spell it, or you can turn on the subtitles and then you can copy it down. That's okay too. I'm okay with that. And then please look up the meanings. And then I'm going to share with you like what it means on Wednesday and give you examples of how to use it in a sentence. Okay? Good luck! So I haven't forgotten to share with you guys what I'm eating this week. 然后这个礼拜我要跟你们分享一个就是我还觉得还蛮酸的东西，所以如果你喜欢酸的东西 ，Teacher Sue 礼拜三带过来给你们试试看。我觉得它真的很酸，我已经吃了2颗，这是我第3颗，然后我每次都没有办法吃完，因为里面的汁太酸了。And it looks like this. Ta-da! It's a lemon candy, but it's a big piece of lemon candy. So I'm gonna try it again. 然后它这个球球里面会有那种柠檬汁，然后我就觉得每次吃到那个柠檬汁 ，I'm like too sour, and then like I spit it out. Oh. 刚开始还好，特别痛，然后它到后面的时候，它中间有那个 again that juice inside， 就好酸哦。Oh, okay. So if you like sour things, you know, I'm gonna share with you guys on Wednesday, and then you tell me if it's sour. Oh my god. 我等一下要去喝点水。Okay, so everybody, see you on Wednesday. All right, bye bye. 我吃到那个汁了，超酸的，不行。Oh my god， 好酸。
这个不是榴莲
哦，我会买个
What？
还行啊，
还行。
我看一下，看这样，
至少是一个